Hey everybody, Patrick Sean Murphy from the Flight Test Community Cast. I'm Earthside I teach on the Flight Test Forum. I'm here to tell you about the next FTTC build night, which is going to take place this Saturday, April 1st at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This weekend, we are going to be starting, don't know if we'll get through, but we'll be starting the build of the Flight Test SE5, which I have an example of right here. One of my favorite planes, one of my favorite flight test planes. This thing is a doll baby to fly. Um, but when we're done with it, it's going to look a heck of a lot better than this one because we are going to use the skins that were created by Rasterize, Stephen Rosima. He created these Billy Bishop skins for the SE5. And the plane looks absolutely spectacular when it's done. Now, since we're using skins to build this thing, we're going to need a couple of things that aren't normal for a flight test build. First, we're going to need the skins. Now, if you're like me and you print these things on a printer that prints out 8.5 by 11 paper, you are going to end up with 48 pages. 48. I was shook. Please, if you can, pay a couple bucks, go to Staples, make your life easier. Don't be like me. Get the 4 sheets that you would have instead of the 48 pieces of paper that are going to have to be cut, some of them very carefully so that seams align nicely, and it's going to be an interesting night on Saturday. The other thing that you're going to need that is not part of the typical flight test build is some spray adhesive. I like the 3M Super 77 or the Loctite 200 medium hold. I like them equally. They perform great. They're easy to use. So if you don't have some of that laying around, go pick yourself up some. I just want to clarify, I guess, what exactly the intention of the build night is. From my standpoint, now there's several of us that are involved with these build nights. Eddie Black, Ben Greenewalt pioneered these, and they'll be joining me on Saturday, keeping me on task because God knows I need that. Anyway, from my standpoint, I do not intend to do a step-by-step, this is how you do it build. I intend to show you how I handle the skins, how I apply them, how I use them as the templates to cut out the parts for the plane, and then we'll go ahead and build it. Josh Bixler does a fantastic job of putting together the videos that show you step by step of how to put these planes together. From me, the build night is just a group of people hanging out, build an airplane. We're here to have conversation. We're here to ask questions of each other. We're here to help each other out. And it's a let's get together and hang out kind of thing. I will have a couple of different cameras set up, so if you do have a question or you need something clarified, I would be happy to show you and answer those questions. Other than that, I hope we have some folks joining us. Again, the build night is going to be this Saturday, April 1st, starting at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you there. Peace.